1 minute exercise, and you made it 21 days. Yes, so we're going to splash each other the brightest energy of love to one another. Yes, we're going to use our fingers, okay? Splish and splash. I hope that's even a word, but if it's not, it's okay. Keep splashing away. Yes. This is really good for your wrist. Also, this is exercise for your fingers, which we usually neglect. But let's keep going. Let's keep stimulating. Let's keep moving. Yes. You can do this right before you go to bed. Accumulate energy in your palm, for everything that you touch shall turn to gold and brightness. Yes. Keep going. Right before you go to bed. Keep going. Yes. And you did it 21 days. Yes. Come on. I know you feel it. But let that feeling match a smile on your face. There we go. Fake it till you make it. Breathing in, exhaling out, and splash, slow it down. But you